Sometimes life just sucks. It's life. What are you going to do about it? There will be times when you want the best to happen and the worst happens. And this goes through all areas of life. I'm a daily runner. I've run every single day since August 29th, 2017. Every day. Now, is every day an incredible run? No. Some days my body goes, hey, we're not having any of this running crap, and I still run. Do I not want to run some days? Of course. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur since I was fired from my job back in July of 2005. Is every day, despite my best intentions, despite my best plans, is every day super productive? No way. Some days start great, and then something happens during the day, and it just goes to pot. You have to be okay with some days just outright sucking. I heard the phrase once, I love this, embrace the suck. So are you embracing the suck? I mean, when your day starts turning sucky, or if it starts sucky, do you just laugh and go, it's just going to be one of those days? Or do you get angry? I promise you, if you allow yourself to get angry because your day has turned sucky, it's not going to get better. Your body's not going to go, oh, they're mad at me having a sucky day, so I'm going to make it be awesome. No. You have a choice. When your life, your day, your hour begins to become sucky, you have a choice to make. You can say, hey, I'm going to make the most of this suckiness. I'm going to embrace the suck, or I'm going to turn into Eeyore and go, oh, I always knew it wasn't going to work out. I'm a loser. I'm stupid. I am clueless. Come on. Winnie the Pooh was always Winnie the Pooh, even on days when he didn't get honey. And then there's people like me, Tigger, T-I-double-R-R. I said that wrong. T-I-double-G-R. And there's Piglet, and there's Christopher Robin. You may not have seen them have bad days in the cartoons because they were, well, not real. But I'm sure they had bad days. You are going to have bad days. You are going to have days that outright suck. That's a fact of life. Now, what are you going to do when you have a sucky day? Are you going to embrace it? Are you going to say, hey, I'm just going to roll with it the best way I can? So I hope this video gave you pause to think about those sucky days. Maybe you're having a sucky day right now, and maybe I gave you hope. Maybe I brighten your day just a little bit. Hey, Rockstar. Thank you so much for reaching the end of the podcast. I truly appreciate your time and attention. So I want to help you more. And the best way to do that is for you to head on over to my website, MrProductivity.com, M-I-S-T-E-R, MrProductivity.com. There you can sign up for my free email newsletter, find out about my coaching. Matter of fact, everything and anything, well, except for my credit card numbers and social security number, you can find out at MrProductivity.com. Thank you so much again for your attention. And until we meet again, my friend, which will be sooner than you think, or maybe you'd like, depending on your perspective, don't forget, stay productive and stay positive.